Where's the phone?
Bomboklat!
Huh? What's this? Sunglasses? I'm okay, I guess. I guess I'll go see what the group chat received.
Oh my god, what a coincidence.
Hey guys, what emoji did you get?
You literally just interrupted me.
Oh my god.
Oh my bad. Is that all you have to say?
If I knew you were talking, I wouldn't have said it. Just get over it.
Alright, enough arguing. By the way, I got a rose.
I got an umbrella.
Sunglasses.
I got sunglasses too. That means we're soulmates.
Congratulations, you two. Now, Lay, what did you get?
I got sunglasses.
What the heck?
Lay, private chat me. Listen here, don't you try to steal Lane from me. He's mine. Now you're gonna tell everyone you were just joking and you actually got a star. Hey guys, we're back and Lay has something to tell you.
I got sunglasses. By the way, Diane is really obsessive.
Guys, I don't know what she's talking about, but she's lying.
Which one of you are actually my soulmate?
It's me. You know I wouldn't lie to you. Besides, I said it first. Lay probably just got jealous and decided to lie.
I literally can just screenshot our conversation. Wow. You deleted your messages?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Whatever. Lane, do you want to play Flee the Facility with me?
No.
Alright.
Alright, you can join us too. Trev and Alana.
Aren't you guys going to go with them?
No, I'd rather stay with you. Besides, I never liked Diane anyways.
Yay, same. Besides, I don't see why you would lie.
Thanks. Guys.
Do you guys want to play something to get our minds off it?
Sure, why not?
Ooh, can we play Dahud?
No.
Whatever, are you a Roblox story character?
No, right. Let's play MM2.
Let's play speed draw.
I'm so happy. We're soulmates, Lane.
Diane, I don't even know if we're soulmates yet. You could be lying.
Well, no fucking shit.
Besides, I like Lay.
But, she threatened me, yay. I didn't want to say it, but she did.
And how?
She told me to say that my emoji was a star. So she could have you to herself, and if I didn't, she would make everyone hate me.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I didn't know. Is there any way I can make it up to you?
You can start by being my boyfriend.
No. Wait. Wait.
Alright. Deal.
Oh my god, really?
Nope.
Oh, what do you mean no?
You really think I would just believe you without proof? Besides, I've known Lei for a long time. There's no way she would have done something like that. So if you're going to make up lies about her, we can't be friends.
Dang it! I was so close. I'll just think of something else.
Shut up, you ugly emo.
Aren't you emo too?
Shut up. At least I don't have a hella deep voice.
For real though, if I hadn't seen your face, I would have thought you were an old man.
Jealous?
Stop laughing at Trev's deep voice.
How do you know we're laughing at that?
Because you guys only laugh like that when you're laughing at his voice.
Okay, fine. But why are you here? I thought you were playing with Diane.
She started annoying me, so I left.
So what, you believe her now?
Huh, no,
Emoji's going live in 10 minutes.
Oh no.
10 minutes later.
What the heck?
What? I thought you had sunglasses?
I'm sorry I lied. I didn't think it would go this far.
Hold on, wait. I'm so confused. Why did you lie?
I was too scared to tell Trevor we had the same emoji. So I lied and said I had sunglasses. I didn't expect anyone here to actually have them.
But what about when we were playing you said you liked Lei?
Yeah, I lied about that too. I'm sorry. I only like Lei as a friend.
Same here. You're a great person and all, but only as a friend.
Ugh, but what about me? We were supposed to be together.
Diane has been removed from the group chat.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
I'm sorry. Someone had to do that. Anyways, are you alright, Lei?
Huh, oh yeah, I'm fine. Kind of relieved, actually. The whole soulmate drama was getting tense. But the real question is what's going to happen between you guys.
I need some time to think. I don't even know if I'm into you yet. Besides, you did lie.
That's understandable. I'll be here for you.
Alright. We play something. It's getting tense again.
Sure, let's play.
Minecraft.
I don't care if he's my soulmate or not. He will be mine, just watch.
Yay, I was so close.
Guys, I have something to tell you.
You just.
I don't care. Anyways, I found my soulmate.
Oh my god, congratulations.
Wow, congrats. Are you going to add them?
Yes. 1 second.
Noah was added to the group chat.
Hey babe, who is this?
These are my friends. Guys, meet Noah.
Hi Noah, I'm Lei.
Lane, nice to meet you.
Trev.
Noah's so nice and funny. You guys will get along great.
Do you guys want to play something?
Can we play Dahood?
For the last time, no.
Please.
You've reached your limit on talking. Shut the fuck up.
Please.
Guys, let's just play it.
Yay, tie.
In Dahood.
I'm lost. What the?
Oh, my bad. I thought you were someone else.
Oh, it's fine, I guess.
Want me to lead you to the others?
No thanks. I can find them myself.
5 minutes later.
Oh my god, I'm lost again.
There you are, Lei. We've been trying to look for you.
Oh sorry, I got lost.
Didn't Noah come to look for you?
Oh yay, he did, but I kind of rejected his help.
Huh? Why?
He shot me and I got mad. He told me it was an accident, but I couldn't help it. I'm sorry, I'm just not good with new people.
It's fine, I understand. But can you please try and get along with him? You're my best friend, and he's my soulmate.
Yay, sorry. I'll apologize as soon as I see him.
Meanwhile,
Y'all ever suck toe?
That was so fun.
It really wasn't.
Hey, I'm Noah. Can talk privately?
Oh, yay, sure.
I wanted to say sorry for earlier. I was mad and took it out on you. So I was hoping we could move past that and start over.
Yay, no. Yes, get something straight. I don't like you or your dumb friend Alana. I'm only here because we had the same emoji. Soon I'll make sure everyone hates you as much as I hate you.
Whoa, first of all, don't call my friend dumb.
No.
Second of all, I just met you. Why do you hate me so much?
It's none of your business. Besides, you're super annoying.
Well, no fucking shit.
Now shut up and stop messaging me. And don't you dare tell the rest about our conversation.
He really thinks he can threaten me, sad. Hey guys, Noah just threatened me. He's tried to make all of you hate me.
Wow, I can't believe this.
I know he even called you dumb. I know he even called you dumb.
No, I can't believe you would stoop to this level, Lay. You promised me you would to get along with him. But instead you threaten him and make up lies. What kind of best friend are you? You're becoming like Diane.
What kind of best friend am I? You trust a guy you just met rather than your best friend you've known for 3 years.
Don't try that with me. He's my soulmate. The universe put us together for a reason. You're probably just jealous. You haven't found yours yet.
Wow, you know what, yay. The universe put you guys together because you're both jerks. I can't believe I wasted 3 years in you. You to believe me, right?
I bet.
Lay was removed from the group chat.
What the heck, Alana? I believe her.
Oh, really? Then why don't you go with her? That's what I thought.
Wow, can't believe they didn't believe me. Whatever, I don't need them anyways.
Hey, are you good?
Oh yay, sorry about that.
No worries, my GC was low on members and I wanted to see if you wanted to join.
Sure, why not?
Great, I'll add you right away. Hi guys, this is... sorry, I didn't get your name.
It's fine, I'm Lay.
Great, I'm Nora.
I'm Beth. Great, the new member Oliver.
Oh, sorry. I had to feed my cat. My name's Oliver.
Wait, we have same emoji.
Oh, wait, we do.
Oh my god, my bestie found his soulmate.
Dang it, I wanted to be the first one.
Wow, sorry. This is just really unexpected.
Yeah, her.
I GTG. I'll be...
Wow, that was great. You're so fun to play with, Lay.
I'm here too.
Shut up.
Don't talk to him like that.
No.
I'm starting to think Lay was right.
Lay, what are you doing here?
I'm here with my new friends. By the way, I heard the whole thing.
Lay, are you okay? Okay, Are they bothering you?
Leave my friend alone.
Why do you have a star?
What? Oh, that's my soulmate emoji. Why?
What the heck? Heck.
Diane, what are you doing here? And why did you fake it?
I told you I would come back to steal Lane, but now that I've found my soulmate, I don't need to put on this dumb act anymore. Lol, I didn't even need to do anything. All I had to do was change my avatar to a guy and fake my emoji, and your friends believed me. Anyways, since my act is up, I'll be leaving. Bye.
Wait, can I get your number?
Beth, what the heck?
Can you blame Mesh as my soulmate?
Lay, we're so sorry.
Save it. If you guys were really my friends, you would have backed me up from the start. I'll think about forgiving you, but it will never be the same. You can tell me, so-called bestie, that too.
Hey Lay, are you alright?
Yay, I'll be fine, thanks. Oh, and if you don't mind about our soulmate thing, can we save that for later and just be friends?
OFC, whatever you need.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Oh my god. I'm scared. I wonder what I'm going to get. WHAD? Oops. Now I only have 4 words.
Hello, Melanie. How many words did you get? Ew, did you not get any words? That's just embarrassing.
The only thing embarrassing is that hair. God, how I wish to be able to say that.
Anyways, I'm going to find friends that do have words.
Wow, that just proves not to trust anyone. Guess I'll go find new friends.
Hey, wanna join my friend group?
Well, that was easy.
Oh, you don't have any words. It's okay. Come.
Melanuflower 321 was added.
Oh my god.
Ew, Jake Boo, why did you add the speechless rat?
Hey, don't be rude. So what's good, shawty?
Bahaha, why is his voice like that?
Stop being weird, you guys. She's our new member. And what happened to your voice, Camila? You sounded 9.
Oh!
I mean, hee. Voice crack.
Oh my god, why is she pretending to be older? I wish I able to tell them.
Since you're new, let's all do face reveal.
No.
Your next, Camila.
Yeah. Wait, let me just go walk my fish real quick. Burb.
Brew, how long?
I'm back.
Okay. So where is your face reveal?
Here.
Wow, you're gorgeous.
That isn't her. I have to alert them.
Points that she has to go.
Okay, we'll wait.
I need a paper and pen, but there is none. Wait, what is that? What is this?
Opens. You have found the secret chest, which contains infinite words.
Oh my god, no way. I have to. Tell the others.
I'll tell her. Oh hey, look, we all agreed with Camila that we just can't be friends with someone who can't talk.
What the actual fuck?
Wait, didn't you have no words?
I didn't, but thanks some miracle, I received words. Not only that, but infinite words. And to think we were friends.
Bah, why would anyone want to be friend with you? How embarrassing.
You know what's embarrassing? That hair of yours. Emo Sonic the Hedgehog looking at us, bitch. For real, be looking like Sonic's gone through a phase. Straight out of Hot Topic. Not only that, you're 9 acting as if you were older.
Wait, what?
Yeah, your gorgeous little Camila is 9. Surprising you didn't know that, considering how childish she is.
Ah, you have no proof.
New Super Mario Brothers! Whee!
Oh please, we used to be friends, but you rudely left me because of my lack of words. You actually tried catfishing me the first time, but I found the picture on Pinterest. And then you decided to actually show yourself, which is this.
Is that true, Camila?
Ah, I don't know.
Oh my god, stop acting. You can get rid of that stupid voice changer.
Fine, so what?
Oh my god, what the heck? Get out now.
But Jakey Boo.
Hey, there's no time to relax. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drake. What the fuck?
Said now.
You're fine, but this won't be the end of me.
Camila Koi 33 left the chat.
Oh my god, haha, can't believe I believed her. Anyways, Melanie, will you be my girlfriend?
Oh my god, absolutely. Not.
Okay, fine. Rot by yourself, you weirdo.
Look who's talking. And gladly. Bye, Goofy.
Melanuflower 321 left the chat.
Nah, bro. Don't look at me. I'm just the extra character no one cares about.
Oh, shut up, Daniel, with your goofy voice.
You know what? You should be the one riding alone. Bye.
Danny Alpha Gangster 69 left the chat.
Whatever, he was goofy either way.
Oh my god, those people were crazy. Maybe I'll try my luck on some other friends. I really don't want to rot alone. I just hope it won't end like the other chat. ABC for a friend group. Hello, so it's only you guys?
I guess.
No, wait. I'm here.
Oh, hi.
Hey.
Okay, anyways, face reveal, age.
No.
Flojo conche tu madre hasta cuando vaya a hacer algo productivo por tu vida maldito culiao. Tuve que haberte abortado asqueroso de mierda. Búscate una pega luego, ya tenés 30 años y todavía no.
Cállate vieja culia, muérete luego. Estaba recontento porque había llegado el 18 tiki tiki ti. Cuando iba saliendo de mi casa ya me estaban esperando estos pacos culiaos hijos de la Maldonao, y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a los choro tiki tiki ti taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatatata, y me fui corriendo a comer asao ya.
I'm Melanie and I'm 15.
I'm Kara and I'm 16.
I'm Joshua and I'm also 16.
Hey, Joshua. Sorry, force of habit. Anyways, I'm Cammy. I mean Jenny and I'm 16.
Guess I'm youngest, haha. Anyways, I have to go. My mom is calling me for dinner.
I also have to go.
Alright then, bye.
Well, bye, you guys.
No, wait. I have something to tell you guys.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Oh, guess they're all offline. Hey you guys, anyone wanna play?
Sure. Join me. I know which exact game.
Dahood?
Yeah, and I forgot to say rest of the friend group is coming. I invited them.
Oh, I thought they were offline. Anyways, so what?
Lol, that is what she deserves. I'm sorry for what she did to you. So are we still going on with the plan? Revenge?
Yes, Joshy.
Whoa, hey!
Is the Kara girl already in place?
Yeah, yesterday when you told us.
Wait, I have to tell you guys something. Melanie is a cruel person and I want to get revenge.
What did she do?
Shows fake Discord messages of Melanie bullying her.
Oh my god! I cannot believe she did that to you.
I know, Joshy. I want to get revenge.
Are you sure those messages are real?
Why don't you believe me? Tell her something, Joshy.
Come on, Kara. You don't know what she's been through. Those messages look real to me.
Fine. So what's your plan?
We repeatedly kill her in Dahood and tell her that we won't be friends with her.
Okay.
Yup, that's exactly what we are going to do. Now go look for her. Bahaha, they are cruel. Oh. Wait, who is that?
Tell them the truth, or I'll hack you.
Haha, what are you talking about? I'm not hiding anything.
Are you sure?
Disconnects voice changer.
What? How?
Changing your whole identity won't hide the fact that you're still worthless. Isn't that true, Camila?
How did you find out?
Enough with that. I will count to 10, and if you do not tell the truth, I will hack you.
Fine, but please don't hack me.
1, 2.
I'm going.
Guys, I have to tell you something. I'm a faker. All those messages were fake. I'm sorry.
Huh?
OMG, girly, at this point, just take off that voice changer.
Wait, what? How do you know?
I knew after I went to confront Melanie about it. I wanted to make sure those messages were real. And to my surprise, they weren't.
Right, Camila? After you said,
You're fine, but this won't be the end of me.
I really did know it wasn't the last I'd see your horrible face. Oh, and that hacker that messaged you was Daniel. He wasn't really going to hack you, rather get you to tell the truth. Turns out he came to me and apologized for agreeing to kick me out. I really wasn't sure at first, but until I heard you hadn't gotten rid of him as a friend, I knew I could use that as an advantage. You did a good job hitting your identity. But when we were revealing our names, you stuttered and almost said Camila. I knew something was up. Now time to kick you.
You little piece of
Jenny 11 was kicked.
Oh my God! I'm so sorry you believed her.
It's fine, you didn't know. But now I have to go. Thank you for trusting Kara.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye!
Melanuflower 321 left the chat.
Well, that was definitely an experience.
All right.
Thank you so much, Daniel, for all your help.
You're very much welcome. Now why don't we go play something?
All right.
Skelton left her chat. The end.